Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I have two unboxings from Louis Vuitton and Yves Saint Laurent. We'll begin with the Louis Vuitton unboxing. This is a piece that just that just came out probably, maybe a week ago, less than a week ago. I did see this item on Foxy LV's Instagram page. If you're not following her, go follow her. She knows everything and anything about Louis Vuitton, everything that's coming out, and she's like full of information, so definitely go check her out. So we'll go ahead and box this. Took the thing off. Wait, it's okay, there we go. So there it is. There's the box, and there is the receipt. That on the bed. There's the receipt. Yeah, the receipt. And the box. Last time I unboxed my other unboxing, I untied the bow and everything, and I didn't realize that you could just slip it down, but I double checked first, and this one is tied, so, which is cool, keeps it secure. So we'll go ahead and untie that. I don't feel like so bad about like untying the bows and everything because I did work in retail, so I know how to like retie bows like a professional. So there was those. And here it is. Go ahead and unlock. Let's set that down. And ooh. I can already see it from the side. Go ahead to reveal. I'll take it out this way. Oh, the tag fell out. It is the Louis Vuitton bandeau. I believe this one is called the My Tags in the multicolor. And look how beautiful that is. Oh my. I love this kind of like green color on the bottom. It is so pretty. Here, I'll go ahead and like this. So it starts off with the yellow, into the reds, the pinks, the purples in the middle. Then it just goes back into the reds, oranges, pinks, and ends in the yellow with the pink on the back side with the Vuitton logoing. I think that is absolutely beautiful. Here on the back side, I think you can see this. It's like pink and goes into red and then goes into the orange on the bottom. And again, ends with like sort of this green teal color, turquoise on the bottom that says Louis Vuitton. And on this other side, it has like multicolors of, I believe it's like the teal, the pink, and purple. And it is so pretty. This is so pretty. I absolutely love it. They had this, like, I think it was a carré. It's a, like a scarf or a giant handkerchief in the 90 centimeter that is fully multicolored, and so I kind of wish they kind of did something like that on this, like put more rainbow colors inside, but this is absolutely beautiful. I don't know, I'm still thinking about that carré and the, like the handkerchief, the giant handkerchief, because it is really pretty. Oh, so this came, and it says Louis Vuitton on the back, and that same, I absolutely love this like kind of like green color. Absolutely love it. I'm very happy. It is so pretty. I'm excited to use this because I always wanted a Louis Vuitton luggage tag, but I never like bought anything that had one, and I refused to pay the huge markup that they have on the pre-love market. But so I have one in all the colors. So I got finally got my Louis Vuitton luggage tag. So I'm very excited. And finally, I have my Yves Saint Laurent unboxing. So let's get started. Let's see, where should I begin? Okay, hold on. Wait. I'll speed up this part. Whoa, 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 whoa. So there's everything that came inside, beautifully, beautifully packaged, excuse me. Came with the receipt. Yeah, this is a receipt. Some nice packing, black packing tissue, and the box. So there's, everything's gonna fall. Oh, and it did come with some ribbon, some pretty ribbon. And I believe that was everything that came inside. So wonderfully packaged. This is a piece that I have been wanting for a while in this color, but I just never pulled the trigger because at the time Yves Saint Laurent was always having a like 10, 15, 20% off. So in my mind, I never pulled the trigger because I was focusing a lot on my Vuitton collection. And I always thought, well, I can always get it on sale. It'll always be there. But then once they announced not too long ago that they were stopping with their promotion sales and whatnot, I thought, oh, well, I'll find it somewhere. Yeah, they were serious. None of the codes ever worked, and they also did a price increase. I think it was like in January, February, I can't remember. And I just sort of let that ship sail. And when I heard on Classics with a Cork that they were doing a price increase in May 1st, I was like, okay, not gonna lose this time because I know I'm not gonna find it on sale. I know it's just gonna go up and up and up in price. And so I went ahead and watched a million videos. I swear, well, not a million, but I watched a ton of videos on this piece and I was deciding if it was the right piece for me. And after debating, I just said, yes, I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And I went ahead and purchased this the day before the price increase. And it already had gone into effect in America and a few other places, but not yet here in Europe. I haven't checked yet, but yeah, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger. And so let's get into it. Enough of me rambling, let's get into it. So take the box off, or the top part off. Let's see, here we go. It comes with a silica packet. Love the silica packets. And oh, it's so nicely wrapped. Oh, there's that. I'll look into all that after. So here it is. Put the box on. Here it is. I'm super excited. I like cleaned my hands like multiple times because I didn't want to get it dirty. So to reveal, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is like perfectly packaged. I'm so excited. Okay, maybe I can do it like this. Pull it this way. Oh my gosh, it's already, the leather is perfect. Oh, to reveal, I guess you can already see it. My brand new, oh my gosh, it's perfect. This is beautiful. My toy LOULOU. My Yves Saint Laurent toy LOULOU in the taupe color. I have been thinking about this bag so much, debating between this piece, the toy LOULOU, and the Louis Vuitton Felicie in the empreinte leather and the turtle dove color. And they're like a €50 price difference. This one retailed for this piece retailed here in France at the time for €1,250, and the Pochette Felicie retailed for €1,200. And this one is the newest model because I didn't really know too much about the LOULOU bags, just a little bit of the history and the name. LOULOU was the muse of Yves Saint Laurent back in the 60s, 70s. This is the new model with just the divider in the middle without the card compartment, which I prefer. The zip compartment in the back. And what drew me more to this style is the fact that it has the detachable chain, or the detachable strap, this leather strap, and it is adjustable, which I absolutely love. And the fact that it's detachable and there's a lot more strap options you can do with this and change it up as much as you want. You can keep it like everyday, very casual, or add a chain on or a different strap to make it more dressy. And again, I really wanted this color, like this taupe color, and yeah, so I said, okay, I'm not going to lose out this time. I'm, you know, 1,250 is already a lot. I remember when this came out, it was like, what, 8 something. But I was like, okay, no, just let that go. Like, everything's getting so expensive. Like, I cannot believe how expensive things are getting. So I went ahead and jumped at this one, and I'm super excited. I'm gonna be, I mean, I'm not, I try not to baby my bags. I mean, but I do baby my bags because I paid a lot for these. This one I'll definitely probably keep more of an eye on just because it is in a, not a lighter, well, lighter color for me. So that kind of scares me, but I'll definitely do, I have some straps that I ordered and different chains that I would love to try with this bag. So I'll definitely do a video about that, about strap options, ways to wear it, and then also what fits. I'll definitely be doing that. I'm gonna be going off camera and checking that out, but I absolutely love this piece. It's so nice. It's actually better in person than I thought. It's very beautiful. And also an update on my Balenciaga triangle bag that I unboxed a couple of videos back. I did go ahead and sell that piece just because it wasn't, I couldn't, like, it just wasn't, I guess, bringing me joy. So I went ahead and sold that piece. I actually just got my money back from the price that I bought it for. And that money I was able to use towards this bag. So I'm really, everything worked out, so I'm very happy about that as well. And I will be doing a comparison video as well of the Yves Saint Laurent Toy Loulou and the Louis Vuitton Felicie Pochette, just to do like a comparison, what fits, because I was debating between the Pochette Felicie and the Empreinte leather and the turtle dove color, but I ended up going for something a little different for me. So, which again, they were in the same price range at the time, so I did go ahead and go with the Toy Loulou. So definitely that video will be coming up soon. So, and the bandeau with the bag is super cute. You can even tie it onto the side. I think that would be so pretty together, no? With like a chain or something. But I think these two pieces are absolutely beautiful. I'm so happy that I was able to get these items. I'm so fortunate to have them and to be able to have them. And I'm super happy. So yeah. And that's my unboxing of my brand new Yves Saint Laurent Toy Loulou and my Louis Vuitton My Luggage Tags bandeau. I hope everybody is safe, I hope everybody is well, and I hope everybody is happy. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot in my stories. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!